a customer that's got a Chevrolet 3500 van, he's got over 1 million miles on it, that if it's got oil in it, that it's perfectly fine. As long as the oil's full, it's fine, but that's not true. You have to change your oil, otherwise it gets dirty and fills up every cavity with these little black crusty things and, you know, destroys the engine every 3,000 miles. Yeah, regardless of what the vehicle says or what the oil change light is, if you change your oil every 3,000 miles, your vehicle will just last. Oh, definitely NASCAR. I love F1 though. I mean, it was Danica whenever I worked for Firestone because I got the meter. So I was actually out there on the track. And I just remember Danica walking by, and this was years ago or whatever. She was like, "Hey, how you doing?" And I'm like, "Hi, hey, that's Danica Patrick," you know? A 1993 Toyota Corolla. It's my dream car. Yeah, it absolutely is. They last forever. I mean, I hope you like the color because the cars just don't quit running. Put 20 bucks of gas in it and you drive all week.